begin our lesson. Today's topic is about audit reporting and the audit conclusion. So we can begin our lesson today about audit report. We know that in auditing we have 4 stages about checking out the company's documents. So the first stage is introduced with the client's business. The second stage is planning, audit planning. So in this stage we learn how to plan, how to confirm the plan and the program of the audit checking. So the third stage is evaluating of audit documents. So the last stage is our today's theme, audit conclusion. In audit conclusion, we use International Audit Standard 700 and 705 standards. So, audit conclusion, it's providing an independent and expert opinion on the fairness of financial statements through an audit and is the most frequent attestation service. When performing an audit, and auditors gather evidence to obtain reasonable assurance that the statements are conformably with the GAAP. What is GAAP? We know that GAAP is the United States American principles as our IFRS standards, our international standards of auditing. So we can use that its audit conclusion, its opinion of professional auditors. Reports on financial statements ordinarily include an opinion that is on both of financial statements themselves. So we know that auditors check out the financial statements. How many financial statements we have in our republic? The first one is balance sheet, yes? Balance sheet, это баланс, да? The second one, income statement, it's финансовый результат, да? Финансовый результат. Третий, the third one, statement of cash flow, это движение денежных средств. Мы знаем, что такое cash flow. Cash это наличные, да? Вы вот это знаете. Значит, the last one, statement of retained earning, значит, equity. So, in international sphere, international area, we have also 4 statements, 4 financial statements. We have to give auditor's opinion about how is these statements fairness or not fairness. So, auditors give modified or unmodified conclusion. So, we can see modification of auditor standards conclusion. Modification that conditions also not departed from that about which the readers of the financial statements should be informed. Material departure from GAAP is in the client's financial statements and the material scope limitation. Auditor standard report, it's a public client's opinion. So it's the form have introduction and new form and old form have the reporting principles. We can cache the opinion on the financial statement. So, in our opinion, the next slide, please. Next. So, it is very crucial, very significant role in every opinion paragraph. So, we can say auditors can give conclusion in this type. They use these type of words. We have audited accompanying balance sheet of X company, the company, as of December 31, for example, it's 2016, 2017 year, related statement of income, comprehensive income, stockholders' equity and cash flow for each of 3 years in the period of ended December 31. So they write, in our opinion, financial statement present fairly. It means that they have positive sides of conclusion. So they write when financial statement presented fairly. It means that client's business have very ruled, very fairly information about financial statements. So about the results of its operation and its cash flow for each of the 3 years in this period, accounting principles generally accepted in the United States of America. So we can write in this place that it's American example of the audit conclusion in our republic. We can say that in our republic's international audit standards, we can use accounting principles. So it's example for fairly audit conclusion. So we have also unmodified opinions. Unmodified opinions have 4 types of it. It is the first unmodified opinion. It's standard report. It's standard report that may be issued only when the auditors have obtained sufficient appropriate audit evidence to include the financial statements are not misstated, and there is no need to alter the report for situation 2, 3, 4 and below. So unmodified opinion with emphasis of matter paragraph to emphasize a matter appropriately presented in financial statements. So it can be example, change in accounting principles. If client's company have any changes after we have checked out the company's documents, it can be used this type of unmodified opinion. The third unmodified opinion with an other matter paragraph to emphasize a matter other than those presented or disclosed in the financial statements. Its example, other information in documents containing audited financial statements. The last one of the unmodified opinion on group financial